So hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. And again I am back with another video, and this video is very special guys. And in a second I will explain that why it is so special. So let me bring out something and let me show you the reason why this video is so special. And here it is. Yes guys, we got a ultimate Valkyrie. Honestly guys, I was waiting for this from a very long time, and finally we have one ultimate Valkyrie in hand. But somehow our parcel was damaged a bit, so it's not a big deal, but it was damaged due to shipping, obviously, India Post. But still guys, India Post delivers a lot of parcels and they do a phenomenal job. So this is acceptable. It's not a big deal. Anyways guys, so we got our ultimate Valkyrie, and before I open this bay, I wanted to say out few things, because this is a ultimate Valkyrie. It's like ending an era, and most probably this is gonna be the last Valkyrie release from Takara Tomy. So that's why this ultimate Valkyrie is here for. So yes guys, this is gonna be the last Valkyrie we see, so that's why it is called Ultimate Valkyrie. So looks like the Beyblade Burst era is ending soon, and it's just sad to see this go. So that's why a little bit sad and a little bit happy. I'm sad because there would be no further Valkyries, and I am happy that I got Ultimate Valkyrie. Anyways guys, let's not waste any more further time. Let me open it and let me show you what it contains. So here we go. Oh my god, look at this guys. So here we got Ultimate Valkyrie stickers, not much in terms of stickers. Okay, and look at this guys, look at this. Wow, this looks so sick in person. Honestly guys, this looks too sick. So that Ultimate Valkyrie layer, legacy disc, and that variable dash driver. So guys, this is all we get: stickers and these three bay parts. Unlike the Savior Valkyrie, we don't have any launcher or something here. So this is all the stuff we have. So let me cut this thing. So guys, we are ready to unbox our Ultimate Valkyrie. I hope I would have got Savior too, but Savior is on the way. So make sure you stay tuned so that in upcoming days we'll be unboxing our Savior Valkyrie too. So let me open it. Okay. Oh my god, look at this guys. This looks dope. This is very hard rubber. Yeah, people say in videos that this is hard rubber, and in reality, honestly, it seems almost close to plastic. I can feel that it's rubber, but it almost seems like plastic. It's too tight, but no worries. And here we got this new 9 armor. And look at this guys. We got the A1 mold. I'm not sure if we can focus, but I will try to show you that, yeah, we got A1 mold. So how lucky we can get. So this is A1 mold Ultimate Valkyrie. So if your bay is A1 mold, obviously the teeth would be amazing, and it is very hard to make that bay burst. And then we got this shining legacy disc. So this is a pretty new disc, and I think it's exclusive to Ultimate Valkyrie only. Now what else? And we got this variable dash. Look at this crystal edition. So looks sick. And these are also very tight guys. These, I don't know what to call these, brushes or what, but whatever. So this is variable dash. Good quality spring. Nice, not bad. Let me put it. Oh my god, my hand hurts. It's too tight. Hear it. Every click is pretty tight. Oh my god. I hope you can hear it, right? Very tight. It's very tight. Let me show you. You saw that, right? It was too tight. The driver flew out of the table. Yeah, that's pretty unique. So guys, that's Ultimate Valkyrie for you. Give me some time to apply the stickers, then I'll be back for more. So hi guys, we are back and we have applied the stickers, and you can see after applying stickers, it looks better. Honestly, it doesn't look that appealing with the stickers as well, because it was already looking way too good and there were not a lot of stickers to apply. So the only stickering I did is these three blue lines you can see here, and these three, like white and golden kind of stripes. So this is the only stickering on the front honestly, and here there was stickering at the armor, then at the driver. That was all the stickering it had. So guys, I'm not gonna bore you with the facts and all, but for the summary I would like to tell you that this Valkyrie has been derived from all the previous Valkyries we had. So guys, this is called Ultimate Valkyrie because from all the previous Valkyries, Pre-Gen Valkyrie to Savior Valkyrie, something has been borrowed from those Valkyries and put together in this bay to make it more amazing. So guys, for your understanding, let me take the bay apart and let me show you what parts we got here. So guys, these are the individual parts. So you can see this is the DB core of Ultimate Valkyrie and it looks pretty amazing, and you can see it's pretty transparent too. So guys, honestly, DB core of Ultimate Valkyrie looks amazing. Then we got the 9 armor. So I guess this is a new armor just for Ultimate Valkyrie. So this is a 9 armor. Then we got this Ultimate ring, I guess. I'm not sure, but I think it is called Ultimate, and maybe we'll get some attachments for it, some mods, maybe, because there are some holes, so maybe they will bring something. I'm not sure, but maybe. So that is there. So Ultimate ring. Then we have a legacy disc here. So that is a new disc particularly for Ultimate Valkyrie. Then we got a variable dash driver. So this is pretty amazing, guys. So you remember initial Valkyries had this variable driver. So this is a dash version of that driver. So it's pretty tight. It has a tighter spring, so the gripping would be nice. So let me put together the bay. So guys, here you have Ultimate Valkyrie and this is how it looks in low mode. And honestly guys, this is a very low blade. You can see how low it is. The disc might scrape off the stadium. I am not sure, but it might. Let me show you the high mode quickly as well. So guys, this is the high mode of Ultimate Valkyrie. Honestly saying, it looks pretty freaky to me. This looks really dangerous. But one thing to note here is this armor comes up and these golden things on armor, they looks pretty sick in high mode. But still guys, I'm not sure about this high mode, so I'm gonna put it back to low mode. And honestly guys, I never use blade in high modes. That's a very highly unlikely when I use my blades in high mode. I always prefer low mode, and I guess that's what they were supposed to do as well. So I guess high mode is for the people who want to have very aggressive battles. And guys, the amazing thing about this one is the clicks. You can hear, right? That's pretty amazing and pretty satisfying. I think the dash driver is giving a lot of kick. So guys, that is Ultimate Valkyrie. I mean, the first impressions are pretty amazing. So today we are not gonna do any battle because this video will drag a lot longer. So I'm gonna quickly bring out my stadium and we'll do just one test launch to see how this does. Is this as crazy as it is supposed to or not? So hi guys, as you can see that our stadium is set up and we are ready to do a test spin. I got my base set up. First I'm gonna do a basic launch, not just powerful, a normal weak launch to see how it does. And I guess for even a basic launch, it is actually crazy. I don't know what it's gonna do in a good launch or in a beast launch. So if I give it a normal launch, it would be more crazy, I guess. And if I do a very hard launch, I think it's gonna go off the rails, guys. Oh my god. So guys, this bay is damn crazy. So guys, let me try one more time. This time I'm gonna do a normal launch. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Yeah, and as I said earlier that this driver is very low, so the disc actually scrapes the stadium, and that's what the sound was when it started spinning in the beginning. I think it's pretty good, guys. It is a lot aggressive bay, but it's gonna be a very fun to play with. So the battles on this will come soon. So guys, let me do a medium hard launch and then we're gonna wrap up this video. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So yeah guys, it's crazy. It's crazy, guys. Honestly, I think it's gonna burst my Belial. So my Belial has never busted, guys. And I think this is gonna burst Belial because this is also having A1 teeth. because this is also having A1 mold and Belial is also having A1 mold, so I think that's gonna go perfectly. And this bay is pretty crazy. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. I'm not gonna drag this video any longer. So you let me know your thoughts in comment section. What do you think about this ultimate Valkyrie, and which bay you want me to battle this guy against? And trust me guys, we will do it. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.